Namaskar everyone. Today we are doing an activity of sense of touch. We can feel or touch the things with our two amazing hands. How many hands do we have? Two. Yes, we have two hands. Right and left. Right and left. And our hands are covered with the skin. And skin is the largest organ of our body. It helps us to feel the texture and temperature of the body. So in this activity, today we will touch the different type of things and you all will tell me how do you feel. Are you excited for the activity? Yeah! So let's do. So today you have enhanced your sensory skill by touching these objects. So have you enjoyed it? Yeah!